Um, so today we don't literally have any impact. Oh, we had an impact. We have an impact news today, which is coming up by 215 on euro. That is our main refinancing rate. That is the interest rate. It is called main refinancing rate for countries like for EUR, which is Euro member. Also, by 230, we are expecting an advanced GDP quarterly. So an advanced GDP quarterly and unemployment claims. Advanced GDP and unemployment claims. And unemployment claims. Okay. So we're also expecting that by today. We're expecting that also today. Um, Tomorrow is the last day of the month. We also need to be careful because this is the end of the month, right? So market usually becomes extremely volatile during the end of the month. And yesterday, FOMC data came and it was still the same. And it was the same as the forecast. It was the same as the forecast. Okay, so which means that is why we had a little reaction yesterday. I didn't think there was a difference, or probably there is a slight difference between them yesterday. Then we could have looked into one or two things. Okay, so well, because there's no differences, so we look into thorough market analysis. Just like I said, by 2:15, we are expecting a high impact news on euro. Also by 2:30, we're also expecting another high impact news on US dollar. So like I said, if you are trading, let's trade a proper caution and let's apply proper risk management because this is the end of the month. And we are getting busy right now because from February, a lot of market institutions will coming on board. The low liquidity will be reduced. A lot of trading activities will happen, okay, by February. So having said that, let's quickly look at the chart to see if we have one or two instruments or pairs to look towards. Anyway, I've been monitoring the US dollar indices. Can you all see my chart? If you can see my chart, can you drop a fire emoji if you can see my chart? Also, if you want us to analyze any pair, can you drop it on the comment section so we look into it together? If you want us to analyze any pair, can you drop it on the comment section so we look into it together? Okay, so that we will not have to, I mean, spend much time when we're about to leave. Okay, so we had a rejection yesterday on USDX, and if we can see it, that USDX is also moving on a downtrend, as we have a low here, a lower low broken, and something like an head and shoulder pattern being formed. So we could see something like this, right? So that's okay. So that is giving us some some market vibes, right? It's giving us a market vibe. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Now, looking at 4 hours time frame, I marked this area. We had tangible, I mean, numbers of rejection, which is like two at this zone, right? So what I'll be looking towards, I'll be looking towards selling USDX. I'll be looking towards selling USDX. If this low is being taken out, because two things. Number one, we have a gap here that needed to be filled, and we could see market could push down to to the low of the daily time frame. Also, if you look at the line chart, we would see something like a QML pattern here, right? We'll see something like a QML pattern here over another pattern, and this level also poised to be a very, very strong zone. So I would love to see a break, retracement, market then move down to this level to now decide if it wants to go up or it wants to come down. So that is what I would love to see for USDX. So USDX, I'm monitoring the sales. I'll be looking towards the push to the downside. Okay. So I'm looking towards the push to the downside. And that is what I'll be looking towards this morning. So I'll be monitoring the sales for United States dollar. Okay, so let's look at gold, some currency pairs like GBP USD, right? Okay, so daily time frame on GBP USD. So daily time from GBP USD, we had a rejection here yesterday, and I'm still looking towards more bullish sentiment for GBP USD. So I don't just want to drop buy stop order blindly, right? I don't want to drop a buy stop order, okay? Because the reason is that I foresee that the next resistance could be, the next buy stop could be at the resistance level. So I would rather love to see a proper retracement. I would rather love to see a proper retracement below 1.24266 region. So I would love to see a proper retracement below that level, right? Below 1.24266 region before we move to the upside. Or price gets to this zone because this is a breaker block. So I'll be looking at this level also 1.24231 area for a possibility of reversal or market rejection. So at the moment, we are just seeing a retracement, right? We are seeing a retracement, and this down move is a retracement phase. So I would love to see buyers coming into this market either from here, right? We already have a test. So either price coming back to this level, this zone, either price coming back to this zone, right? Before moving into the upside. Okay, so that is it. So for a short sell, DBPUSD is experiencing a short sell because of this strong resistance. We are experiencing a short sell. Or I'll be monitoring the movement around here. So that is that on GBPUSD. USD CHF, literally, I'm looking towards a sell sentiment or a bearish sentiment on USD CHF. The truth is, I've been mentioning this sell since I think on Monday, if not, because I think I dropped a signal on USDCHF last week. Yesterday. Yeah, I dropped a signal on USDCHF yesterday. A day before yesterday, which is on Tuesday, I guess. Yes, Tuesday also. I also dropped a signal that hit TP. But yesterday, I think yesterday I dropped a sell stop signal. The reason is because USCHF dollar has been on a very, very strong resistance, and it's moving with lack of momentum. That is, there are no presence of buyers or sellers in this market. Can you guys hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? Okay, that's great. So what I'm looking towards at the moment, right? I'm still, I would love to see a proper break or a change of character or a reversal pattern at this level, right? So what is happening here, except if fundamentals will push the market up, except if fundamental will push the market up above this level. But if not, we could also have some bearish sentiment around here. So I might say a sell stop order. I think the sell stop I dropped yesterday, a day before yesterday is still valid, right? So there are no presence of buyers in this market, except if you want manipulations or probably to fall down for any manipulations and all that. I don't see a presence of buyers, except if market move and breaks this high, then I will understand that yes, there are buyers now in the market. Then we can now buy, at the retracement. Like we have something like this, market moves up and breaks this high. Then we can now say, okay, let's wait for buy retracement and we continue buying. But with what happened yesterday, even the news, it shows that they are not interested in buying dollar at the moment, right? Because one, it is quite expensive. Two, we have a forming head and shoulder pattern that's about to form, right? So the best bet I would love to see buying US dollar CHF is around this zone, is around this level, right? So if we have a price get to this level, we can now have a probably retracement and price move to the upside. So I am still looking towards some bearish sentiment. I'm looking towards a lot of bearish sentiment, probably here. I'm looking towards bearish sentiment around that level before we sell USD CHF. So I'm also monitoring USD CHF. Like I said, I'm monitoring GBP USD. I'm also monitoring USD CHF. If there are entry, we're going to drop it in the funded client group. Let's look at gold. So gold has been showing us some sign of sell bearish sentiment a few days ago, and we see because of this, I mean, gold is currently on a strong resistance, right? And you can see, okay, mm, we have a break here and price unable to take out this high. So gold also, if I'm to say my own bias on gold, I would say that I would love to see more sellers coming in on gold before buyers coming in. But since there are no pressure, there are nothing happening in the market at the moment. So we just have to apply wait to see if there's going to be a breakout, right? So we are just going to wait if there's going to be a breakout. Okay. So if there's going to be a breakout, then we can now look towards knowing gold's direction. But if I am to sell gold, I would love to sell, if I'm to trade, I would love to sell gold. Yeah, if I'm to trade, I'd love to sell gold. If I am to trade, like I said, I'd love to sell gold. So let's see if on 15 minutes time frame, we are still having one or two movement for gold. As you can see, we have a takeout here, market takeout is low. Can we use a sell stop order on gold? Let me say 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we can sell a short sell on gold, short sell, CP1 will be here. Let's scalp gold. Let's take a quick sell on gold. Quick sell gold now, SL, SL. It's just a scalp sell, 6 2, right? 0.59 TP. I might not even drop it on the proof product client group 2759.02. Okay, so let's take that scalp sell on gold. Yeah, let's take a scalp sell on gold. The reason why I would love to take that scalp sell is because of the rejection. We have a break here, also market break here, and rejected this level. And all these are happening in a strong resistance zone, right? They are all happening in a strong resistance zone. I think it's 1 into 1. Let me see 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it's about 16 pips to 18 pips. Okay, so I think that is that on gold. Please, don't apply proper. I mean, apply proper risk management on this gold. I'm tempted to see. Let me drop it on funded client group also, so that they can also have the opportunity to take that trade. Sell gold scalp. Sell gold now. SL. SL 2762.59 TP 2759.02. Okay, so I've dropped it. So let's see how it goes. Um, we've done GBP USD. Okay, let's go to the request and see what we have for the request. Um, USD okay. We've done gold, good. GBP USD, we've done USDHF also. Okay, so I'll take the trade on gold. Okay, I think I'm done with gold. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how gold reacts. Okay, so let's see how gold reacts. USJPY, GBP let's go GBP. So yesterday um I didn't literally see movements. I mean, I didn't literally see any setup on GBP yesterday. But today I'm looking towards selling GBP right? I'm looking towards selling GBP right? So I'm looking towards selling GBP because we had a lower low and price break this low yesterday, perhaps after forming a lower high. So we could continue our sales for GBP. But the thing is, at this level, we have to also look towards market taking out this resistance also. So I'd love to say probably we could take a short sell on GBP. Yeah, because if you are looking at the trend, we are also bearish. Okay. Okay, so you could take a short sell on GBP target this level, CP1, right? Then CP2. Okay, so SL is here. So let's see. 23 pips TP1, 58 pips to TP2, 24 pips SL. Okay, so GBP I'm dropping it now. We could sell GBP also. Okay, sell GBP. Let me check 15 minutes. Okay, sell GBP SL 192.529 CP1 192.069. TP2 191.875. Okay, so that is that on GBP Okay, I'm still looking at the gold. I'm monitoring it. I'm monitoring the gold to see what will happen. For GBP we wait to see what GBP will also give us this morning. So the last one we'll do is USD. Okay, so um let's look at USD, which is the last one for today, and we round it up. USJPY, I'm also bearish on USDJPY. I'm also bearish on USDJPY. Like I said, I'm bearish on USDJPY. I would love to see a little push before market moving to the downside, right? So this is telling us that we are going to sell USDJPY, right? So we could wait for a retracement before we continue selling. Because this high, this low, market reacted at this high, but could not break the low. So market reacted here, right? And we are expecting it to get down to this level. 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour time frame, we have this resistance here. And I love to see a rejection at this level. 15 minutes. So if market could reject this zone, then I'll sell USDJPY. Okay. Market could reject that zone, then I'll sell USDJPY. Okay. So that's my bias this morning for all the markets. If you have any questions or anything to say, can drop it on the comment section. Today is Thursdays. We are having our advanced class. So, oh, okay. Market is heading towards gold is heading towards our SL. So let's see what will happen to gold. Okay, so GBPJPY, let's look. Okay, GBPJPY is heading towards our TP. Okay, let's see how the market reacts. Okay, so I think that's that for this morning. We had two signals. One is heading towards our SL, and the other is heading towards our TP. So let's see how it works. If this gold hits our TP, then we can look towards buying, because what I see here, this is a breaker block, right? But I was looking towards markets just push it down to this level before moving to the top side. So if you feel you can hold the gold, you can close that gold, and let's see how this buy will react. Let's see how the market will react. Okay. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Good morning, everybody.